Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform the Transformers Studio Series number, I actually do not know what number he is, but the Studio Series Deluxe Class Revenge of the Fallen Sideswipe. So before I start this tutorial, I would like to tell you guys that this is for the Revenge of the Fallen style, not the convertible version. This is for the Revenge of the Fallen style, which has the hard top. So they're awfully similar when it comes to transformation, but they are still slightly different. But I just had to put that in the video to let you guys know. So moving on to the first step, we are going to take the arms and we're going to fold the hands into this little cavity right here. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Then we are going to take the chest. We're going to straighten things out a little bit. Then there's this little exhaust piece that you want to get. I like to take the weapon right here and kind of just fit it right here, and you can kind of easily get it like that, and you just click it in just like that. Then we're going to kind of start to move the legs around to give us more space for the top area. So we're going to come to the legs right here. We're going to untab this piece right here and fold it up just like that. And then you're going to take this bit and kind of fold the wheel bit in. And you're going to do the same on the other side, fold it in just like that. Then we're going to take the little panels here and kind of fold it in like that. And then we're going to leave that there just like that. You're going to bring this up and fold this out just to get things out the way, kind of pull this out all the way just to give us space. You're going to untab the chest area from this tab right here, kind of fold this up and bring these arms down just like that. So you just pull them in like this. It's similar to the Bumblebee from Revenge of the Fallen, where you just slide the arms down like that. Once those are out of the way, you come back to the back, lift this up. You're going to take the whole back assembly, and this is why you have to stretch these out. You gotta give us some space to slide this whole assembly over the chest bit right here. And things get a little difficult here because you kind of have to fit it over this. There you go, kind of fit it over, and then take these bits, fold it in like that. Make sure you do the same on the other side, fold it in, and then it'll fit a little better. Now once you take these bits, you're going to kind of fold these down and get this to kind of hinge out and tab in like this, and then do the same on the other side. So you have to fit it in at an angle. So then once you fit that in an angle and you have these doors, you can say doors, you're going to take this bit and kind of slide this clear plastic tab underneath the vehicle mode right here. So to fit these guns in for storage, you kind of have to fold this out the way, pull this out the way, and there's some tabs on the guns itself, on both guns, and they kind of just fit underneath right here. I don't think this is the proper way to store it, but this is how I store it. You just fit it in that tab underneath here, and you kind of do the same on the other side. You just take this and put this underneath just like that, and it should fit. It takes a little bit of, there you go. So it'll just fit like that, and then you kind of fold the doors in and just carefully fold everything else in. So then here, you're gonna come to the legs, and you're going to fold this in like this. So this whole assembly will fold back and it will just fit in like this. So take this, fold this in like that. It will fit just like that. Take these wheels, fold these forward, and then move these arms out the way. You're going to take this little peg right here. It will peg into here, and then that will be secure like that. Then you're going to take the legs, fold them up, and then you're going to bring this whole roof assembly or hood assembly down, and then you're going to sit these 4 tabs. They're going to go into these tabs on each side of the vehicle mode, or side of the car right here. They'll just tab together like that. Take this windshield, tab it in right here, do the same on the other side. Then take the arms, kind of hinge them up or fold them upward, and they'll just sit in like that. Sit in just like that. Do the same on the other side, and once you do that, you will have most of the car together. Then from here, once you have all that together, you're going to take the 2 swords, and they have 2 tabs and a tab on the back end right here, and they'll fit in just like this. So, oh, wrong one. So you take this one and you kind of fit the tab right here between the thigh piece right here, and it will just kind of fit in. I like to kind of put it in at an angle like this, and kind of push in on the tab like that after that. So you do the same right here, put it in right here and tab it just like that. Just make sure everything's all lined up. And that was a very quick transformation for Sideswipe. So now going back to robot mode, we're going to untab the swords right here, put them to the side, untab the sword from the other side, put that to the side, and then we got the car again. We're going to pull the legs away like that, kind of lift this up to kind of move it out the way a little bit, get on tab, pull the legs down, and then kind of hinging it down a little bit like that. And you're going to pull out the side doors like that, and then you're going to basically pull the roof assembly away like that. So you have to kind of lift it up like that, and it will kind of automatically move the guns out the way. But once you have enough space, you can just pull the guns out just like that and put that to the side. So once you pull the roof assembly away, careful not to scratch any shiny paint. That would suck. But you just kind of pull it away just like that. We have enough space to move some things down. So you take the arms, kind of pull them down just like that, and they're out the way now. So now you come back to the top and you kind of push up like this, which untab these, by the way, untab that and push this up. So you kind of just get the chest away like that, and you kind of can push this down right here into that tab, and it'll just click just like that. And you come back to the front, move out hinge these forward kind of, just to angle them and give us more space to move things in the back. Take the little door wing bits and kind of hinge them upward like that. Then you're going to fold this piece in like that, and then pull this assembly down. So it's like ratchet. It's not a ratchet hinge, but it has, you can feel it just move down like that. So then you raise it up, take this roof bit, untab it from the clear plastic right here, fold it out, and then fold this on top like that. Take the back section, fold it up like that, and it'll sit like that. Then you take this whole section, sit it back, and it'll all just rest like that. Angle these wings out a little bit, and just like that, there's that part done. So you take the arms and hinge them upward, and then they'll just sit in these little bits right here. And then you're going to come to the legs, untab them, fold this out like that, fold out the other side, and then you're going to take these little silver bits, slide them out like that as far as they can go, and then fold the wheels in like that, and fold this little piece right here on top, and take this piece, fold it in, and then that's one leg done. So we're going to do the same on the other side. Fold this as far as possible, put this in here, fold this out, and fold this up like that, and then his legs are done. Then you're going to take the arms, and then you're going to take the hands, actually, kind of pull them out like that, do the same on the other side, pull them out like that, and then Sideswipe is back in his robot mode. So now, thank you guys all for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And other than that, that's about all I have for today. So I'll see you guys in the next video.